Welcome back to Prepsaret YouTube channel. We are still talking about slopes and of course equations of straight lines or linear equations. Today I want us to look at how you find the equation of a line when you're given two things. The first thing is a slope and of course a point, at least a point. Remember I said that a line has got very many points, but you can use 2 points to find the slope, and you can use a slope and one of the points to find the equation of that line. Write with me this example. What is the equation of the line that has a slope of -7 and passes through the point 4,8? Solution. The slope is given as -7 and the point given, one of the points of that line is 4,8. That's the point. For you to solve this, you need to imagine of another point. Come up with an imaginary point. That imaginary point with the coordinates x, y, like that. After coming up with an imaginary point x, y, you're going to use the point given 4,8 and the imaginary point xy to write the equation of that, to write the formula for the slope. Remember, formula for the slope, we said change in y over change in x. That is to say, second y or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and the second y, this one is what we are calling y2, and then the 8 is y1. x2 is here, 4 is x1. So we are looking for the slope, which is -7. So we shall have that formula written, y minus 8 over x minus 4 for the change in y and change in x is equals to the slope, which is -7. Let us make a fraction out of -7. We can say -7 over 1. Reasons: we would want to cross multiply, Now 1 will be multiplied by y minus 8 into bracket, which is equals to -7 multiplied by x minus 4. Then the rest is, you're going to open the brackets. Y minus 8 times 1 is y times 1 is y. Then 1 times -8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Y minus 8 is equals to -7 times 8 is -7x. Then finally, -7 times -4 is +28. And now you arrange your equation. You arrange your equation in the form, different forms that we have. We can remain with y on this side, and we get -8 taken to the other side of the equal sign. We shall have -7x plus 28 again, plus, because 8 on the left hand side of the equal sign is a negative. When it crosses to the right hand side, it becomes a positive. So you're getting it as y is equals to -7x plus 36. That is the right or correct answer for that question. So briefly, we have said you have one point, you have a slope. You imagine of another point, xy, and then you use the 2 points, the imaginary point and the point that you are given, to look for the slope. Remember, the formula for the slope is change in y over change in x, which is equal to that slope. Cross multiply and then the like terms together, and ensure you've written your equation in the right form. See you in the next video.